Today we're working on a 2008 Chevy Silverado that's losing brake fluid. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now if you have one of these Silverados or a GMC Sierra and you're losing brake fluid but you don't see any leaks anywhere and you don't know where it's going, it's possible that the master cylinder seal is leaking and the fluid's going into the vacuum brake booster. So you won't see the fluid loss, but the fluid's disappearing. Here's a quick, easy check on how to see if it is going there. I have a simple zip tie. Pull the vacuum hose off of the booster. Use the zip tie like a dipstick. Slide it all the way into the bottom of the booster, and then see if you have brake fluid there. If you do have brake fluid, then the master cylinder needs to be replaced. Now most people would also say that you need to replace the brake booster as well, which is wise to do. In this case, I cleaned it out and we're going to see how long the booster lasts. But if you're losing brake fluid, can't find out where it goes, this is a great dipstick and you can identify your problem. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.